So guys, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, I want you to actually subscribe, like and share if you find this video helpful, and also comment. I'll be reading it. Now let's see our euro pound for the day. I also did analysis about last week where I predicted that we would very much see a bullish move on our euro pound, at least to this K a level area, which is about our level area to about 0.864517. And guess what, we've actually gotten that bullish move again. And what are we aiming for? A drop again. Now let's see it this way. This price was once our resistance level. You can see our price came here and drop. It came here, drop, came here again, drop, came here again. We saw this drop as a pullback. It broke out from it, right? It came here to test this our area, now serving as a support area. It went up, it came down to this key level again and pushes up, which was a support area, and it broke below it. Now it has now given us our resistance area again. So what are we waiting, since our price is now at that key level area, is we are waiting for a drop again on our euro pound. So anytime, could we have it on the 10th of August? I don't think so, but I believe on the 11th, 12th, we would get that drop on our euro pound. That is exactly it. We can see on the key level aspects, we are expecting a drop on our euro pound, right? Now let's see to confirm it on our pound index, because once we start seeing that fall on our euro, then our pound will start going bullish, right? Now let's see it on our pound index. Daily time frame, downward, we are actually dropping. Now let's see, let me analyze this key level downward here, where our price bounce up and fall down, trend line downward, and you can see another trend line downward here. So our price, let me see, so our price actually come and bounce, bounce up, bounce down, and that is how it is now. Guess what? And I will be analyzing a key level area here. You can see that our price came to this level and push up. It also came to this level again and bounce up. It came to this level once again, it bounced up a little bit, and it broke above it, but failed to go too far below it. And now our price has come to this level again. What are we expecting for? A bullish move again. So previous time, we can see this bullish move, this huge, our price opens and closes bullish, a long week here we have, and we would very much likely to see that bullish move again. Since this is a key level area, we can see it come here to react here, come here to react here, even here reacted, and now we are at that key level area on our pound index. So once our pound index pushes up, give us that bullish move, as we are expecting or waiting for it to happen anytime soon, then we would see that drop on our euro pound. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. You can see it here, still an uptrend on our 4-hour time frame. So best time to short it is, I'll tell you, is that once you see multiple break or structure downward on our 30-minute time frame, then it is the best opportunity to short it. If not, we probably might wait till our price give us the opportunity to it give us that opportunity, which is about multiple break or structure downward on our euro pound.